Can I learn digital marketing on my own? To become successful at online marketing, one must develop the necessary skills and knowledge to produce the best results. This will take hard work and patience, but the good news is that you do not need to attend a college or university to get these skills. In this guide, you'll discover some methods you can use to learn online marketing at home. In fact, you could become an expert yourself. Search engine marketing, SEM. SEM is a major part of online marketing and is split into two defined areas: search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising, PPC. 1. With SEO, you'll learn how to optimize a website so that it ranks higher in the search engine's organic results, therefore helping to drive targeted traffic to your website. An important item to understand about SEO is that this is a discipline that changes continuously. Because of this aspect, you'll want to monitor the major players in SEO to keep up with search engine algorithm changes, so you can adjust your own methods accordingly. There are many SEO courses online. Pick one and get started. 2. PPC, or pay-per-click marketing, will enable you to send traffic to websites with targeted advertisements. Google Ads is still one of the most popular PPC networks, which will show your ads on Google properties and websites that have the AdSense code included. You can learn PPC easily online and relatively quickly. There are numerous courses you can take, including ones that will allow you to gain a Google certification for PPC ads. Once you've gained this accreditation, create some PPV, pay-per-view, campaigns of your own to gain the necessary experience you'll need to get your own clients. Social media marketing. It's almost impossible to imagine a world without social media. Millions of people visit social media websites each day, which is why learning how to market on these platforms is so important. Social media marketing has many advantages, such as: you can market your website for free by engaging your social media audience. You can buy effective advertising campaigns for as little as $5 per day. You can highly target the audience that you want to show your ads to. Luckily, there are online courses available on these platforms themselves that will help teach you how to market to the millions of users that use these platforms daily. From paid campaigns to getting your content to go viral, if you want to learn about something, there will be a course available that can help. Email marketing. Despite what you may have heard, email marketing is still one of the best ways to market online. The first step is to build an email list. Offer something valuable, such as a free report or discount coupon, that is related to your products or services in exchange for their email address. In this way, you can build a list of people that opted in to receive your emails. To run a successful email marketing campaign, it's important to understand your audience and what they want. Once you understand what they want, you can craft an offer that will be attractive to them and then make your offer in an email to your list. In order to build your email list and send emails to them, you'll need to use an autoresponder. There are many autoresponder platforms on the web, and many of them are free to get started. With an autoresponder, you can also track your ads and their effectiveness. To learn more about email marketing and how to effectively use an autoresponder, pick one and start using it. All the major autoresponder platforms have numerous guides and articles about how to use them to run successful marketing campaigns. You can also find videos on YouTube that teach how to run email marketing campaigns with your chosen autoresponder. Or you can do an online search for a course that teaches you the information you need. Do your research and take action. You can research online marketing tips at home and find out what techniques are working for others. You can then take these ideas and use them yourself. Many techniques you learn may not be successful, but you will soon learn what works best for you and what does not. You'll learn your own way of working and which area of online marketing you prefer to focus on. Not everyone can be an expert at everything, which is why many successful online marketers have a team of experts who each specialize in their own area. You can become one of these experts yourself and do your own online marketing for your own company or offer your services to others. You could make a nice extra income this way. Stay tuned for more digital marketing video tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.